promised you a garden howdy doody. Well, that's what we're going to do today. Quick, while they're all just having their tea break. All right, here we go. I'm going to show you what to do. Hang on just a sec there. Just a second. Right. What we're going to do, I'll leave that trolley there, is you know when you get one of these lovely basil plants from the supermarket and then they grow like that for a few days and then they just die when you've used a little bit and you think, what was the point of that? Well, I'll tell you what, how to make them last a little bit longer. So what we're going to do is to get this pack of basil plants, and can you see like there, they've got lots of roots there. Here's lots of lovely leaves. Oh, smells gorgeous. You can put it in your food, especially with tomatoes. It's lovely. So what we need is a nice clean table. Oh, I've got mud on it already, never mind. There we go. Some spoons, because I love a spoon, don't I? And then what we need is maybe some cut up containers like this. These could be plastic milk things, you know, that you get your milk in. Cut them off. I borrowed them from our friends at a Greening Stoke. They live downstairs, so they said I could have them. Or a little plastic like that, you know, try and get something that's already been used, okay? So what you're going to do is get some compost there, and you're going to scoosh a little bit of it in there, then brush it off. Can you see that? Like that, there, like that. And then you're going to make a couple of holes in it, like that, there. And then you're going to, with another spoon, with your spoon here, you're going to use it just to prise the little basil plants up like that. Then you're going to very gently put your thumbs in there and break them apart like this, break the soil apart, and then you'll have just one on its own like that. Can you see? Now don't touch it by the root or the stem, try and just touch it by the leaf. So you might need to break up the soil a bit, so to loosen it off like that, there, and then get hold of it by its leaf, there. And then you're going to drop it into its new hole there, like that. And you'll find you've got about 6 or 7 perhaps on one little pot. So you're just liberating them basically. You're going to give them a new home. You can use some of this soil that you've got with your roots on there like that to fill it up a bit. You're going to liberate it to give it a new home. And then it'll grow and flourish and be your friend forever. And well, maybe not forever. As long as you keep it warm, though, it'll be very good in the house. Give it a little water. Oh, that's good. There we are. All right, so that's step 1 of a garden howdy do, how to make the most of a basil plant you got from the supermarket. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Bye. Oh, better go. Yeah, better go. See you later for another little garden howdy do. Bye-bye then. Bye, 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 bye. Woo, where's my trolley? Come on. Here we go. Come on, let's go.